Welcome back to the channel Plumbing Fix. When it comes to sealing pipe threads, using thread sealing tape like this can be a great solution. But unfortunately, many people believe that the more tape you use, the better the seal will be. The truth is, that's not correct. In fact, most DIYers actually use thread tape the wrong way almost every time. So in this video, I'm going to show you the proper way to apply thread sealing tape on all kinds of fittings, from copper and brass to stainless steel and even plastic threads, so you can get a perfect seal like a pro every time. One of the most common mistakes people make is using too much tape. While it's okay to cover most of the threads, you should never wrap tape over the first two threads. These first two threads are slightly more tapered than the others. They are designed to help guide and align the fitting during assembly. If you cover them with tape, two problems can happen. First, the tape may bunch up and interfere with the connection. Second, small pieces of tape could break off and travel inside the pipe. Over time, those pieces could clog small components like strainers and side appliances, such as dishwashers. Before you even start wrapping the tape, take a moment to prepare the threads. Use a rag, a small brush, or even a toothbrush to clean the fitting. You don't need to make it look shiny. Just remove any dirt, debris, or buildup that could prevent the tape from sealing properly. And remember one important rule. A plastic bristle brush is safe for both metal and plastic fittings. But a metal brush should only be used on metal fittings. If you use a metal brush on plastic threads, it can create tiny scratches. Those microscopic scratches can eventually lead to leaks. Another extremely common mistake is wrapping the tape in the wrong direction. Thread tape must always be wrapped clockwise around the fitting. The only exception would be reverse thread fittings, but those are very rare in plumbing systems. Some people say they've wrapped it backwards and still got a good seal. That might happen sometimes, but it's mostly luck. Wrapping it the wrong way can cause leaks later. Here's why. If the tape is facing toward you and wrapped the wrong direction, when you screw on the fitting, it will push the tape backward. Instead of tightening into the threads, the tape bunches up and pulls away from the threads, which is the exact opposite of what you want. Now, let me show you how professionals do it. Start wrapping the tape from the back of the fitting, moving toward the front in a clockwise direction. Keep one finger on the tape while wrapping so you can maintain a little tension. This helps the tape stay tight against the threads. Wrap the tape around the fitting 2 to 3 times. Bring it close to the first 2 threads, but don't cover them. Then you can go back over the threads again to add another 2 or 3 layers if needed. The only time I use more tape than that is when I'm dealing with very old or damaged threads. Using more tape doesn't necessarily create a better seal. On newer fittings, too much tape will simply get pushed out of threads. In some cases, the fitting may even become too thick to screw together properly. Here's another way to do it. I usually hold the tape upright in my right hand and rotate it around the fitting while keeping steady tension on the tape. After a couple of wraps, the tape will grip the threads and hold itself in place. And again, always make sure the first 2 threads remain uncovered. Now you might be wondering something else. With so many different colors of thread tape available, which one should you use? You've probably seen white, blue, pink, and yellow tapes at the store. The truth is, the color doesn't always mean a lot, but there are some general guidelines. White and blue tape are considered standard thread seal tapes. They're suitable for most metal and plastic pipe fittings and are perfect for general household plumbing work. Next is pink tape, which is a thicker and heavier duty version. You might think thicker tape is always better, but that's not necessarily true. Pink tape is best used on older or slightly damaged threads where extra sealing strength is needed. For most new fittings, regular white tape works just fine. Then there's yellow tape, which is mainly used for gas lines. Gas systems require special care, and many professionals prefer leaving that type of work to certified technicians because gas leaks can be extremely dangerous. Finally, there's a special tape designed specifically for stainless steel fittings. Stainless steel fittings have become more popular recently because their prices have dropped. But if you try to seal them with standard tape, leaks can easily occur. This special stainless steel tape contains small chemical additives that help prevent something called galling. Galling is a type of friction damage that occurs when stainless steel threads rub together. If you look close at the tape, you'll often see small streaks or lines in it. Those lines contain the compounds that protect the threads. I once installed a well pump using stainless steel fittings and used regular thread tape. The result? Leaks everywhere. Once I switched to stainless steel thread tape, the problem was solved. But here's something else many people don't realize. Sometimes people use thread tape when it isn't needed at all. Take a look at this fitting with a stainless steel hose. At first glance, it might seem like thread tape would help seal the connection. But if you look inside, you'll see a rubber washer. That rubber washer is what actually creates the seal, just like the washer inside a garden hose connection. The outer threads only hold the fitting together. Adding thread tape in this situation provides no sealing benefit at all. In fact, it can sometimes hide a leak that's happening inside the connection. So instead of wasting tape, only apply to fittings that truly require thread sealing. In plumbing, nobody wants to deal with leaks. Using thread sealing tape the correct way can help ensure your connections stay tight, reliable, and leak-free for years. Hopefully these tips help you understand how to use thread tape properly, so every time you install a fitting, you can do the job like a professional, right at home.